This is how you're going to add Calendly to a Framer website inside WordPress. So we're going to use three accounts for this one. We're going to use Calendly, Framer, and WordPress. So you're starting with Calendly. So from your Calendly, all you're going to have to do is you're going to share your link. So for example, we want to embed this meeting right here. So what we're going to do is we have two ways. First, we can copy the link, or we can click on this meeting settings right here, and then we can click on add to website. For this option, we can copy the embed code, but we're going to use only the link for this one because Framer has a built-in Calendly embed link. So from the Framer, we're going to jump over here and we're going to select the project that we want to add in an embed of Calendly to. So from the search bar, we're going to click on this add icon first, add element, and then you can see here the element Calendly or the embed code. So like I said, you can copy the embed from the Calendly tab. So you can go here and then you're going to add to website and then click on inline embed and click on continue. And then from here, you can access the embed code. So you can do that. But another thing that you can also do is you're going to just click on this Calendly right here. And then you are going to resize this however you want. And then we're going to copy it to our page. We're going to send it directly there. And then we can see here our Calendly account. Now just click on that. And then from here, we can see at the right hand side, we can see here the Calendly tab, the component. We are going to just paste here our Calendly link. So we're just going to copy and then we're going to click it. There are some times that it may not show, so just click on that. We're just going to try it out if it shows, but as you can see, the page is not found. So this is just some type of a trial and error. This one works best with a calendar, but since we're embedding a meeting, we are just going to use the embed feature. So let's do that. It really depends on what you're trying to embed. So for this one, since we're embedding a meeting, we're just going to copy the link of this one, and then we're going to paste the URL right here. And then we're just going to click on enter. After that, you're just going to copy the embed code of this Framer page, and then we're going to head over to WordPress. And then from the WordPress, you're going to add an element, which is the code. You're just going to drag it over to your page, and then you're just going to write the embed code that we just copied from Framer right here. And that's it. That is how you're going to add Calendly to Framer website in WordPress. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more.